You can access and search historical abstracts and any online resource that the library subscribes to from home. Before you begin your search session, enter your UWO username and email password at the prompts, and then click Login. To find historical abstracts, let's go to the History Browse by Program page. This page functions like a research guide to identify and locate the best library research tools relating to history. From Western Library's homepage, click on the hyperlink Browse by Program, followed by the Faculty, Social Science, and lastly by the Department, History. At the History Browse by Program page, under the Articles tab, there's a list of databases recommended for history. Scrolling down, we see a link for historical abstracts. Click Visit this resource and go to the initial database search screen. The search screen provides a number of search categories, the most important being the search boxes located at the top of the page. Our research topic has three ideas, or components: Spanish Civil War, fascists, and democracies, so we'll use all three search boxes. I recommend starting with a keyword search, so we won't select a field. Our first concept is Spanish Civil War. Our second concept relates to fascism, so let's choose related search terms such as fascist, or Italy, or Germany. Our third idea involves democracy, so we'll enter search terms such as Democrat, or America, or Britain, or France. The use of quotes around the phrase Spanish Civil War keeps the phrase together, while asterisks at the end of words find variant spellings. The word "and" between each of the three search boxes tells the historical abstract search engine to retrieve articles that include all three concepts. Our results have to include all three ideas: the Spanish Civil War, and fascism, and democracies. We can also check off the box marked English so that the search results are restricted to materials in English only. When finished, click Search. We now have a result list containing 90 citations that have something to do with the Spanish Civil War, democracy, and fascism. We're given bibliographic details, such as the authors and titles, but don't have full text just yet. In the case of citations for journal articles, we're also provided with the particular volume, issue, year, and page numbers of the journal in which each article appears. We'll need these details to track down the full text of the journal article. We can browse through the list of titles until we find a result that looks particularly interesting. Let's look at the 19th citation in more detail. The citation identifies the title of the article, Anti-Fascism and Democracy in the 1930s, as well as the author of the article, Tom Buchanan. We're also shown the title of the journal, European History Quarterly, as well as the year of publication, 2002, the volume, 32, the issue, 1, and the pages, 39 to 57 of Buchanan's article. We'll use this information shortly to try and locate the actual journal article. Let's take a moment to look at what else the citation contains. The full citation also includes an abstract or summary of the article. The abstract provides a short description of the article and will help determine whether the article will be useful. It certainly seems appropriate for our research topic. Like the subject hyperlinks in the Shared Library Catalog, Historical Abstracts offers its own useful subject hyperlinks to help locate more articles on the same topic within the Historical Abstracts database. To determine whether this journal article is available at Western, click the purple Get It at Western button located at the bottom of the page. An interim page will appear, repeating the title of the article and title of the journal, as well as the year, volume, issue, and page information. Links to all available online versions will display first, always followed by the option to check the UWO Shared Library Catalog for print. If there's a link to full text access, click Go. In this case, the online version is supplied by Scholars Portal. The first page of the online article appears, looking exactly as it did in the original print version. Scroll through the pages, noting the footnotes in the text of the article. The full citations are found at the end of the entire article. As with the books we found using the Shared Library Catalog, remember that these footnotes may also lead to additional resources useful to your research. Check the titles of these sources in the Shared Library Catalog too. Read the entire article online or print out a hard copy of any or all pages of the article using the print function located at the top of each page. The option to check the UWO Shared Library Catalog will always appear on the interim screen. If no online links are present, remember to check the Shared Library Catalog for journal titles. The journal may be available in print, even if it's not available digitally. Historical Abstracts is the first place to search for scholarly journals relating to world history. The database contains hundreds of thousands of citations from thousands of journals. In addition, you may consult other online databases listed on the History Browse by Program page, such as America History and Life, JSTOR, or Project Muse.